Okay, so we got here now. We've been walking over 3/4 of a kilometre up the hill. And this, are you ready? Are you waiting for the big waterfall? Guess what? Guess what? See that water down there? That's it. That's supposed to be the waterfall there. And this is supposed to be a swimming pool that we could come up here and have a swim in. Unfortunately, it's the dry season. And I thought they completely dammed off this river or something. But there's no water, and it's advertised everywhere, this waterfall, you know, you got to come up here, you can have a swim. And it's the biggest waterfall around, and not a drop. Not a drop. And this is what it's like where we are. It's just constantly very backward place, very wild. Lizards everywhere. Look, there's a lizard. They're everywhere. Bugs everywhere. Lizards. Place is teeming with life. Hear that? It's a frog. Big one. Frog. Big one. A frog down here somewhere. Yeah. It is stinking hot. So the waterfront comes rushing down here when it rains. Probably can go whitewater rafting down there, who knows. You come along here, you run, and then you just dive. Not over there, of course, but down there you dive in and have a little swim around. So this is the big waterfall. You know what? They charged us to come and see it. They charged us to come here to park our motorbike. Fair enough, they're watching our motorbike, so they're really paying for us to watch our motorbike. But you know what? I'm not disappointed at all. I find it absolutely fascinating that this is a flash flood river. That it never said anything about that on the internet. And it completely dries out. Plants are growing there. Yeah? Plants are growing there. Trees are growing there. Yeah? Be careful, huh? Be careful. Be careful. Yeah. But it's fascinating, isn't it, Eunice? It's fascinating to see a dry waterfall. I mean, it's like someone turned off a tap. It's pretty cool, actually. I actually think it's worth coming up here to have a look. Yeah? You want photo or just video? Yeah, got ya. Wow. Gosh. Nature girl. Look at you. Hey? Man, it's like you never walked out of the Amazon. Hey, that's the Amazon blood kicking in there. I'm gonna pee.